Inspirations, the communication of animals. Crazy. Now we're on this thing. When you're walking in the forest, does your party hear this? Do you mention things like that? The birds, you hear the birds communicating. Because that's definitely communication going on. That wasn't just random crap. So the birds communicating, is there something afoot? Are they warning about you? The party's in the area. Are they warning about something else? Danger. I guess they're birds, they just fly away if it's too much danger, but do you incorporate just the simple things? The birds communicating back and forth. They're still talking in the background. I can hear it. I don't know if you can hear it on the thing. Do you? Thank you. Walking down the road, and what do I see? All the birds are making that noise. Accident. So now we got a different inspiration. Maybe that might have been so much not a warning about things, but it's an omen. Bad events are gonna happen. Those black birds, those are crows definitely. Talking about the accident that's ahead of me. Do you use signs in your game? Omens. This is crazy shit. But crazy shit is good. Thank you.